Hey guys, so I'm headed to do some shopping. I want to see what's out there for the fall decor. I'm not gonna start decorating yet, but I want to see what's in stores, so come with me. Today's gonna be a shopping vlog. So the first stop will be Home Goods. I'm here just shopping around and showing you what my local Home Goods have. Honestly, I don't think they have a lot of fall decor yet. So pretty soon, hopefully, they will stock up. But I did find some cute pieces and I can't wait to style them for my fall videos coming up soon. You can see my local Home Goods had a lot of the traditional fall decor colors, which is pretty, but it's not my style. But look how cute is this little gray pumpkin. This was so cute and it was made of wood. What do you guys think about the color pink for fall? I thought those pieces were pretty. Look at those pillow with the gold pumpkin in it. I thought that was cute. I picked up this really pretty candle, which is in a pumpkin shape with the white and gold detail. It was $12.99. Okay, how beautiful are these pumpkins with this detail of the color blue and gold? Oh my god, it's stunning for a person that's doing like a pop of color this fall. They did have a bunch of pretty, what is this called? Table runners. A lot of them with the bling, with the traditional, beautiful table runners, you guys. Across these beautiful pillows, and of course I have to pick up two. I pick up this design though. I'm thinking ahead for the holidays. I think this might work. So pretty. I am not one to do traditional colors, but I love these pillows. These were $24.99. Look how pretty, and look at this great one with the beaded pumpkin detail. Those are so pretty, you guys. In the comments, what colors are you doing for fall? I am loving this olive green color with this silver and white detailed pumpkins. Oh my god, you guys. And it was only $24.99. Those were beautiful. The bling wine glasses are out. You know what that means. The holidays are close. And here I'm just showing you a little bit of the Halloween decor that they have right now at my local Home Goods. They have some cute stuff, honestly, if you're into Halloween. Like, look at this glam Halloween section over here. It's so cute. If you follow on Instagram, then you've probably seen when I purchased this oversized mirror and this cabinet to go in my office. I ended up returning the cabinet. It was too big for the office space, but the mirror looks so good in my room. I can't wait to share that with you. So my second stop was Marshall's. I love shopping at Marshall's. Definitely this year I saw a lot of traditional decor, and this usually happens, but they have a lot of pretty florals and very affordable, you guys. So if you're in need of some fall florals, stop by your local, Marshalls and check them out. They also had some cute wreaths, so check that out. Look at those glass pumpkin, you guys, so pretty. You guys, and the last stop, of course, has to be Hobby Lobby. But I wasn't too excited this year, to be quite honest. I love shopping at Hobby Lobby, but I feel like they bring the same exact decor every year. So last year it was the same. This year it's still the same. So I wasn't too excited. Jay was super excited for that blue pumpkin, but here's a little bit of how the shopping went. You guys, that was it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe so you don't miss any of my fall decorating videos coming soon.